Today we're working on an Infiniti M30. We're going to start with setting the parking brake, putting the key in the ignition, and shifting to a lower gear. There will be one screw above the 12-volt supply we're going to remove. We will open the pocket to the right of the 12-volt supply. This will give access to two more screws. One screw is on the left, the other is on the right. This will be all the mounting screws for the front panel. This will allow you to put your hand into the pocket and slightly pull the panel forward. The lower clips all release with a little bit of pull pressure, and this will allow you to access the two connectors. One at the courtesy light for the 12-volt source, the second for the 12-volt source itself. This will free the panel up and you can set it to the side. The car stereo is mounted into the dash with four mounting screws, two at the bottom and two along the top. With these screws removed, this will allow you to pull the car stereo from the dash. This is the Bose system, so there are amplifiers involved. Speakers. There are several connectors on the back of the stereo. These connectors also have triggers. These triggers, when squeezed into the connector, will release the lock and you can remove them. With these connectors removed, you can move to the antenna. The antenna is a double jack, has a trigger on the side of that you squeeze in, and it will allow you to remove it. This is how you remove the stereo. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, see our website for other help, and thank you for watching.